Should be fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be a puzzle.
Yeah, but it's a puzzle that don't just look cool when you're done. Get some plasma cutty, boys.
Oh yeah. That's 3/4 inch stem still.
But it's fragile. For the very minimal computer components, probably.
Computer in
Yeah. Whole computer.
it might be a computer in there. But it says fragile. It's got like 3/4 inch plate steel inside. Fragile, that's fragile. Yes, make it out.
This is why it pays to be the camera guy. I get to watch everyone else do work.
That's the head ramp. I didn't know it was going to hook up on the clip or not.
Oh my god. The whole thing's off the ground.
Keep going. You got it. I just make sure it wasn't tilted enough. Right now.
Old Smoky.
I didn't know she got oil in it. There we go. Can you cut? We need to do a rebuild on this. I can't find the parts. I know. We gotta take the parts off. Send it to them.
Dude, whatever this piece is so long it's sticking out the box.
Yeah.
That's fucking hilarious.
Well,
Hey, where's this thing gonna go? Oh, okay.
Mate.
we would have hammered the cable 5x10. We got some MJ in the background playing?
Plasma table. Motor assembly.
The X and Z. Box 2 of 5.
Box 1 of 5. Computer tower. Oh, this is a computer here.
Are we just gonna start bringing stuff
Wow,
in?
comes the keyboard, mouse, wireless controller.
No,
all
we
that
gotta
shit.
figure that out.
USB power cord. Look at that.
This should be the water pan.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 pieces. Actually, 4 pieces.
And I'm guessing this is the main axis. The long piece.
Oh, there's tons. Oh, there is tons of shit in there.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, did I mention I bought the one we have to weld together?
Oh yeah?
Wait, what? Like, you kidding me? Or
No, I really don't even think you could buy them assembled.
well, I mean, they don't bolt together. You have to weld shit.
I don't remember.
Some assembly required.
Definitely.
As long as Kyle's got pictures, he's good to go.
That's right.
Look at that action shot. Shit, we're already cutting.
There's his legs. Black powder coated legs.
How long do you think this is gonna take to put together?
Maybe a day and a half.
Damn, it's humid as shit out today. I can't see nothing. Ah, it looks like he's having a blasty blast. Oh yeah. We're about to confuse Kyle. So red goes to red and green goes to yellow, which goes to purple, right?
Something like that.
Red goes to green, black goes to black, white goes to brown, purple goes to silver.
Why can't they all just make them match?
It's all a mess. Big mess.
That just dry fires it.
I pushed test and it fires it.
All right, rock and roll.
Here we go.
Test cut.
Oh, I did leave a sliver. Perfect.
Look at how beautiful that is. Dude, it was getting right there. Yeah, I was like, oh, fucking ball sack. That's pretty cool. That's pretty nicest thing.
That's pretty legit. I guess I could mirror it so it does it on the top layer. I mean, depends on you just flip the metal over.
Not bad little tack.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clean.
Same spot for a while.
Yeah, dude, why's your car just sitting there?
Pile ain't working.
I thought all you were doing was motor mounts.
Motor mount's turned into everything I have for it.
I mean, you can finish the motor mount,
Or you could.
or you can finish the job that you started.
Don't come in here with your bullshit, Dan. Don't even come in here with that bullshit.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
How's your day?
Not bad. Getting close to going home. How about you?
That's what you think.
Tell him, Enzo. Tell him we're going home soon. Yeah, that's right.